Let's do this. Patondo guys, Nas Patondo's channel. I'm back with another one. We're doing the steep now again. He's about to do the steep tomorrow. Hey guys, so we're preparing ourselves so that she could go and test for tomorrow. So stay tuned guys for more videos, eh? Stay tuned. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nice. As she's climbing the steep guys, she did let go of her pedals. Then she's controlling her steering wheel. Then when she's about to be straight, and then she stops. And she hits the full clutch and brakes. So make sure guys that when you control your car, when you climb the steep, take it slowly, control your steering wheel nicely so that the car could be straight, and then you can stop. As she's balancing now, she's feeling the car, vibrations and everything. Oh damn, she rushed herself. Why you rushed it? Oh, candy-free. Neutral, handbrake up. Why did you rush yourself? Relax. Let's go. Doesn't mean must use vibration will you get clash. No. Keep on balancing. And break down. Now. Please do the right thing one more time. Oh, go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Get to the cross, Johnny. Get it, Johnny. What's that? Dan may we feel it in the inside. Nice. Straight reverse now. So doing the straight reverse now guys. So today I'm not gonna explain much because now she's already doing the work, and if you would like for more explanations, there are videos that you could watch, proper ones, has to do with the straight reverse and the steep and the side picking, alley docking. That's what they call it, alley docking. Yeah. She's about to do the straight reverse now. Okay, what you should need to get used to, steer indicators, ne? And that's sure with my indicators are caught, ne? This is this. Oh, cause my indicator, hey, are very important. If I'm an observation, 5-point check, very important. Nice. Good. Perfect. And then she stops. Good. Nice. Nice. Okay. Just make sure, guys, when you reverse, make sure that you look at your mirrors so that you ensure yourself that your car is going straight. And then you make it a point that you look at the line. When it, when it approaches the petrol tank, you should stop. Make sure that when it's straight with the line, you stop. So, guys, there's a lot that's happening, but if you could make sure that you focus and look where you're going, I'll definitely promise you that you'll be able to do everything that you see and everything that you feel. Because when you're about to drive a car, guys, it's all in the feeling, hey? So sorry about my English too, guys. I'm not yet that proper, but I'm getting there, hey? See it, yeah. Yeah. And corner. So yeah, we're starting here, guys. So bear with us. We'll get to address you nicely, and everything nicely is I do. It's about to do the early docking now. This is the early docking. It's about to do the early docking, then she's going to go straight and put her car straight so that she'll be able to do the full swing. And the poles are intertwining there. Nice. Nice, okay. The Alito King le sisters gele. Babiza nge Alito King. Melwenze show with Lana when it's right. Yeah, I tried it. I think explaining to my fans which was Wenzani. So here, guys, she'll be doing the side packing. So this is our poles. So when she arrives here, look, she's looking at the poles, and then she's doing the full swing when she sees the poles intertwining. Then the truck is going to go until she's going to park nicely. And then she's parked nicely. Good. And then she's about to put her tire straight. Even though it's not that straight, she's going to make sure that she puts it straight by doing the quarter swing or half swing to her left side. And then she looks at the side and makes sure that she gets in nicely and properly. Good. As you can see it now, guys, she's doing so well. She knows what she's doing. Good. Again. Okay, she's about to recorrect her mistakes and then do the right thing. Antoine. So it's ain't that right? Ain't that fresh? Ain't that bubbling? Antoine. Should man know this year, Antoine? Siang voice, Antoine. Antoine. Yenang voice, Antoine. Nice. Nice. Yeah. And yeah, this is our side packing. She's doing the full swing now. Okay. Nice. Okay. And then she stops. Good. And then 2 and 1.5. Good. Then yeah, plus if it is shyly 10 minutes yonke. Oh, ting ting tell my friend. This is nice, Matondo, guys. Stay tuned for more, guys. Subscribe, like, share.
Yes.
Hey, nice.
Thank you.